Hello everyone, it's Craig Larson with Larson Financial Advisors for the Market Minute on May 20th, 2013. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember the old days when the stock market would sometimes go down? We haven't had that for a while. And we've had 5.5 blistering months of up performance in stocks. So I thought I'd give you a quick recap and then a couple of things to watch for today. Number one, U.S. stock market is up about 17% year to date, which is a really fast start. International stocks are up in general about half of that much, although emerging countries are down several percent. Commodities are down a lot, and bonds are just generally flat for the year. So U.S. stocks have been the place to be. Now, I think the market's gotten ahead of itself. It's way above its 200-day moving average, and generally it spends very little time this far above that mark. So we want to be cautious about what the next pullback is. I thought I'd give you the last few years' perspective on that. 2010, we had a great first quarter in stocks, and then we had a 16% drop from the spring high to the summer low. 2011, same thing. Good first quarter. Then we had a 19% drop. You might remember that with the debt ceiling and the U.S. downgrade and all that whole thing in the summer of 2011. 19% drop top to bottom in that year. And then in 2012, strong first quarter, 10% drop in stocks. So I just want to remind you that markets do not go up in straight lines for very long. You want to have your strategy ready for this summer. And I'm not claiming to know when the next drop is going to be or how far down it's going to be, but you can look at these last few years as a reference point and decide, hey, how much risk do you want to take, and do you have your risk management plan in place? If the thought of a 20% potential drop is bothersome or troublesome to you, then you need to make sure that your strategy can accommodate something less than that. So if you have any questions at all about how do you play defense, how do you lock in profits or hedge against a market that's going to correct at some point, then give us a call or email me at the office. Always happy to take your questions and see how I can be of help. And our contact information, by the way, if you're not a client, is on the web at craiglarson.com or larsonadvisors.com. We welcome you to come and visit us. And I look forward to talking with you again soon. And in the meantime, have a great week.